Look, high maintenance fences are not okay. You want an easy to handle, low maintenance fence that lasts years. Saddleback Fence is a company you can trust. All of our employees are e-verified, background checked, covered by workman's comp and general liabilities insurance, wear our uniforms, and show up in our trucks. Saddleback's products have no exclusions regarding warranties, cover everything from chafing to oxidation. Saddleback fences also come standard with U-channel and an aluminum bottom stiffener as preventative measures because we're looking out for you. With over 30 years of combined experience, we understand your job isn't easy. Let us help make it easier. We empower you with options on your bid so that you get what you need. Get the job done right. Call us.